Welcome to our first soap in our 9-part collection, Space. So first we're going to be starting off with the center of it all, the sun. So for the sun, I wanted it to stay a bright soap. So we're going to do just a yellow mica with Spearmint Eucalyptus fragrance. So for the yellow mica, we're using the lemon cupcake from Mad Micas. And as we're pouring it into the column, we can see that in the batter, it's actually orange. And this is one of those paranormal color shifts where it's orange in the batter, but it's gonna end up being yellow in the final product. For the black portion of each of our space soaps, we're going to be doing a nice simple activated charcoal to make our black. So I've already gone ahead, trimmed off our big column, and now we're going to add it into our black space and get it seated all nice and neat. Now that we've let this guy sit for about 24 hours, we can come in and cut it and see our nice bright big yellow circle in amidst our dark space. If you want to see more soap making with different techniques, different colors, different scents, and different designs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw in this video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned.